In this tutorial, I will show you how do you work with FilletXpert, which is very advanced capability of the fillet tool. I am saying the fillet tool because you can get that fillet under that fillet tool. You have to activate that fillet. When I will activate that fillet, there are two options here. One is manual, another is FilletXpert. So far I have showed to you, you can make different type of fillet using this tab. Now I will work with this FilletXpert. There are some advanced capability here. Suppose I want to make few fillet here. Suppose I want to make fillet on this top surface. That means here I have to select that surface or edge I can select. And I want to make another fillet on the bottom surface. I want to make another fillet on this surface. I want to make another fillet on this surface. After putting all the surface, then you can see you do not need to press OK. You have to first give the value here, then you have to apply. When I will apply, you can see this FilletXpert is still activate, because if I want to add more fillet, I can do so at a glance. That means if I want to add one more fillet here, I can, if I apply. If I want to add one more fillet on this surface with 2 mm, I can also add that thing by applying. So far I have added 3 fillet here. So when I will press OK, you can see there are 3 fillet here, 1, 2, 3. Now if I think I will change any one fillet's value, suppose I want to change the value of this first one or the second one or the third one, maybe what I will do, I will go inside that fillet, then I will change the value. But I will not do that thing. I will activate that FilletXpert again. In the FilletXpert, if I think I will change the value of the previous fillet, if I think I will change this fillet value, then there are 3 tabs here, add change corner. I will go to the second tab, that is called change. Here I have to select the fillet. When I will select the fillet, you can see I can change the value from here for this fillet. If I put this to 1.5 and if I press resize, you can see this has been changed. So by this way you can change the fillet. You do not need to go to another fillet to change that fillet. And if I see at the bottom, you can see at the bottom there are sort by size. If I press 1, that means fillet made by 1 mm, that will appear in the graphic window. If I select 1.5, you can see just only one face has been created with 1.5. If I select 2 mm, all fillet has been created with 2 mm will be selected here, and you can see from the graphic window as well. So by these two ways, add and change, you can add fillet very quickly, you can also change the fillet very quickly, and you can also short the fillet very quickly. And here one more fillet has been added because I changed the fillet size for only this edge. That's why this is 1.5. If I go inside this fillet, you can see this is 1.5 mm. So this is the capability of the fillet. Now I will show you more advanced capability of the fillet. Suppose I want to apply few fillet here. If I go to manual with constant size, and if I put 2 mm and if I press OK, SolidWorks cannot make that fillet. It's showing the error. So I will close this thing and I will go to the FilletXpert. Now I will select this 3 face and I will apply 2 mm. When I am applying this 2 mm, you can see this fillet has been broken, and this FilletXpert solved this problem automatically. So this is the most advanced capability of this FilletXpert. If you fail to fillet any surface or any edge at the time, try this FilletXpert. Hopefully you will get the answer.